Hi, it's Anna Jyoti, School of Fine Tuning, and I have just received my Vulsini tapper. It's a bamboo tapper. The funny thing is, you can do cupping and hacking for tapping, and a nice soft, like a pounding. I've got it down here because I haven't got my table up, and I've got my client on the floor here. And you can do nice soft pounding or nice hacking and cupping, nice percussive techniques. And when you get Vulsini bamboo sticks, you have the nice cloth coverings where you can do some tapotement. And yeah, there's various ways. This is really lovely. Part of Chinese medicine is the tapping. It's called douyin. And tapping gently to enliven qi flow throughout the body and blood and lymph to get things moving and circulating. So it's lovely in the morning to do your douyin, where you go, up the yin channels, down the yang. Really, really nice to do that. But the lovely tappers from Vulsini, they're nice because they have a sort of gentle frequency to them, but you can also you can be quite firm. So it's a sort of yin yang approach. It's a sort of soft and firm, gentle and firm. So you can be really gentle, but you can also be quite firm with them. So with your clients, you can begin your treatments with this ritual, and you can close. So often if we start face down, you can open, and then as we finish face up, you could do a little light tapping, or you can just do it one time when you begin, or one time when you finish. It's up to you. And also you can use it on yourself. That's the bonus of buying this tool, is that you can work on yourself. So like I said, I haven't got my massage table up, so I'm going to work on the floor, and you can incorporate this into your acupressure massage as well, or your Thai treatments. If I come around the other way, then you can see me. So yeah, we can start. We'll start at the feet. If you're very lucky, you could have two, and you could do a really nice double tapotement. And depending which way you want to go, that you can go up the channels. You could do liver, kidney, spleen going up the channels. Or if your intention is to go down the channels, you can come down the channels. So you're also working to enliven qi wherever there's qi stagnation or blood stagnation or lymph sluggishness. This tapper really helps to enliven the lymph that's superficial, and the blood and the interstitial fluid and the cells. All cells, they like to have stimulation to enliven their activity. And then if there's a musculoskeletal condition where there's stagnation, you can focus in on that. So say, for example, there's a sacroiliac problem, or a piriformis problem, or a hamstring problem. The other thing that's amazing is, a lot of the time, I love to massage glutes, and I love a glute massage, but sometimes it doesn't feel appropriate to working into the glutes and into the bum. I mean, I really do like it. I like to really roll into the glutes. I think the glutes require a lot of work to release the low back and the hamstring, but this is great because the tapper can do that job for you. Without it being too weird. It's just really, really nice. and I said I'm going quite firm. I'm tapping quite firm, but it actually, the experience of it is quite gentle. Really, really lovely on the neck. And this I would do over over the towels. So you, like at the beginning of a treatment, over the towels. I would probably let my client know I was going to do this, so they didn't think I was just whacking them. What do you think of that? You like it?
It's all right.
It's all right, says my 16-year-old. Now he's grunting. I just referred to him. So I'm coming down the other side now. And again, just be mindful around the kidney organs, all organs. Although they're so gentle, it's kind of nice, a little bit of stimulation, as long as you're not whacking. A little bit of stimulation here. But I do go a little bit more gentle. And then I could swap sides. I'm not going to swap sides because I have my back to you, but I hope this isn't too noisy on the vid. So you can incorporate this into your bamboo routine. So you can have your hot bamboo, your warm bamboo heating, and interesting because you could warm this. Although I don't think you'd feel it would probably lose its heat quite quickly. But because it's bamboo, it might be nice warmed. It's coming down the central governing vessel. Yeah, nice. So yeah, you can incorporate this into your bamboo treatment. It might be something nice to do before a stone therapy treatment, or just your regular deep tissue massage. But I would probably say to my client, I'm going to begin with a little bit of tapping just to enliven the skin, stimulate the skin, stimulate lymphatics, stimulate blood flow, stimulate chi flow, wake up your cells and prepare your body to receive the massage. So yeah, these are from Vulsini, and nice. So yeah, just a little bit of work on myself. Yeah, nice. Do your back. I really like the neck actually. As soon as I took it out of the wrapper, I did my neck. Lung chi. Swap. Stomach and spleen chi. Gallbladder meridian. And stomach meridian. Probably good for your, not probably, this will be good for lymphatics around any sort of cellulite problem area. Yeah, really nice. I like it a lot. So yeah, not only can you use it on your client, but you could use it for yourself as well. So yeah, head over to Vulsini. I've got another tool that I'm going to try tomorrow, and I'm really excited to share these gorgeous tools with you. And thank you so much.